Good morning to everyone, and let us start our science class, right? So, we were discussing about our topic that was plant, right? And how many of you have gone through yesterday's video? How many of you went through yesterday's video? I saw some of the drawings has been sent to me by some of the students. Yes, here is the one Shohardo has sent. Very good, Shohardo. This was the thing which was taught yesterday. Very good. Very nice. Anyone? Very nice, Anurag. Excellent. Very good. That means these are the regular viewers and regular students of. Yes, very good, Simran. Very good, beta. Anyone? Yes, very good, Prithviraj. Excellent. Next is, okay, Rudraditya. Good. Ashmita is there. This is the, Ashmita, this task is not of yesterday's beta. This was day before yesterday. Yesterday I taught about root and shoot. Yesterday's task was about root and shoot. Shyam Prabhu, this is not yesterday's task. So please, those who are not following YouTube videos regularly, please follow it, because offline videos are also as important as online classes. Because over there, little bit prior discussion is being done on the topic which has to be taught next day. So it is very important that you go through the offline videos when you are not having your online classes, because it is also the part of the topic which has been discussed, and it will be the beginning of the topic which will be discussed next day. তো পরের দিন অনলাইন ক্লাসে বসার আগে অফলাইন ক্লাসটাকে অবশ্যই দেখবে, বিকজ আই উইল বি স্টার্টিং ফ্রম দেয়ার অনলি। Understood? This is not the work which has been done given yesterday, Srijan. So those who have still not seen the offline video of yesterday, after this class you will go through that one so that you can understand. So yesterday I have discussed in my offline video that the lower portion of the plant which is under the soil is known as root, whereas the upper portion of the plant which is above the soil is known as shoot. Okay, so 3 fill in the blanks were discussed. That is, we get plants from seed. Then after, one more has been discussed, that is, just a minute, very small plants are known as saplings. Okay. And here I can see the one who has written everything. Just as I am not having the note right over here, I am taking help of Shohardo. Shohardo has done the work very nicely. You can see we get new plants from seed. This was discussed. Very small plants are called saplings. This was also discussed, and yesterday this diagram was given on the board, that how we saw a seed, from seed comes out seedling, then after we get a small baby plant that is known as sapling, and then after we get a plant. Now the lower portion of the plant which is under the soil is known as root, whereas the upper portion of the plant which is above the soil is known as shoot. Okay, Now today I promised you that, and one most important thing was that the plant is a living thing that we tried to trace yesterday with the help of these things, that plant need air, water and sunlight to grow. And if a thing is growing, that means it is a living thing, right? Though plant cannot move from one place to another, still plant is a living thing because plant can grow, plant can breathe, right? Plant can feel. Yes, they even can feel. If you will water a plant with lots of love, na, you will see that your plant is growing so nicely. But if you will water a plant with ignorance, উফ বাবা রোজ রোজ এই প্লান্টটাকে আমাকে জল দিতে হয়, এই একটা আমার এক্সট্রা দায়িত্ব, তুমি দেখবে ওই প্লান্টটা ভালো হয় না, because that plant is not getting love. Plants can even feel. আর যে প্লান্টটাকে তুমি খুব ভালোবেসে জল দাও, সেই প্লান্টটা দেখবে, হ্যাঁ অবশ্যই তুমি যদি এখন সকাল বিকেল দুপুর জল দাও তাহলে তো বেচারা মরে যাবে, ওকে? সো ওয়ান্স ইন আ ডে যদি ওর যেটুকুনো জলের দরকার তুমি যদি ওটা উইথ লাভ দাও, তাহলে দেখবে তোমার প্লান্টটা কত সুন্দর গ্রো করছে। আর যে প্লান্টটাকে তুমি ভালোবাসবে না, উফ আমাকে রোজ এটাতে জল দিতে হয়, মা রোজ রোজ আমাকে বকে, ও জল দিলে না জল দিলে না, গিয়ে একটুখানি জল ঢেলে দিলাম, সেই প্লান্টটা কিন্তু ভালো করে বড় হয় না, বিকজ ইউ আর নট গিভিং দ্যাট প্লান্ট লাভ। তো এটা একবার করে দেখো, একটা প্লান্টকে খুব ভালো করে ভালোবেসে জল দেবে, আর একটা প্লান্টকে এমনি একটুখানি জল দিয়ে দেবে, ওকে ভালোবাসবে না, দেখবে দুটো প্লান্ট যখন বড় হবে তাদের ডিফারেন্সটা দেখবে, তাহলে তুমি বুঝতে পারবে যে ইভেন প্লান্টস ক্যান ফিল, ওকে, দে আর অলসো হ্যাভিং ফিলিংস। সো this is the fact. Now I am going to discuss about, yesterday I promised you that now today I am going to discuss about the root of the plant. That means this is the root, right? And here comes the root. This is the part which is above the soil, and this is the part which is below the soil. And here it is root, and here it is shoot. Now shoot is having again different parts, and which are they? So first of all, let us find out. I am having some pictures for all of you. You can see in front of you that this is the part which is below the soil. See, below the soil. And roots are also of two types that you will learn later on. The part which is below the soil is known as root, and it looks like this. Okay, they are having roots under the soil. Now if we discuss for this root, then the upper part, this is the another picture I am showing you. This is the upper part which is above the soil, this is known as shoot. Okay, it is also known as stem. This is stem, as stem, okay, and these are known as branches. Okay, this is stem and these are branches. Now as human body are having different parts, like we are having brain. First of all, let us talk about the external parts like head, eyes, nose, mouth, right? Hands, legs, back, shoulder, everything. In the same way, plants are also having different parts of their body, and one most important part is root, which I showed you. The most important part is root, whereas the second important part is stem. stem. Now, when there is stem, some of the branches are also coming out. Now, on these branches, we can find these things. And what are these? These are leaves. First of all, let us discuss about leaves. There can be small leaves as well as big leaves. Okay. Some of the plants are having small leaves, like we can see neem leaves are small leaves. Then after, rose leaves are small leaves. Some of the plants are having big leaves, like banana leaves. Banana plant is having big leaf. Coconut tree is having big leaves. Whereas peepal or banyan trees are having medium sized leaves. Okay. So, some of the plants are having very small leaves. Some of the plants are having very big leaves, whereas some of the plants, that means majority of the plants, are having medium sized leaves. Okay. Now, next comes, flowers. Now, when the plants grow properly with proper sunlight, air and water, we can find beautiful flowers. Yes, this is also a part of plant, flowers. Now, after flowers comes out fruits. Okay, it gives us fruits. So, fruit is also a part of plant. Okay, all type of fruits, vegetables, cereals, right? Do you remember? We get from pulses, we get from plants. Very good. Plants gives us fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses. So this is the thing. Any type of plant gives us flowers or fruits, right? And fruits are always coming out from flowers. Okay. Now let us go for next one, and that is the complete plant. Okay, this is our complete plant. And now with the help of this plant, we can understand that this is the picture of a complete plant, which you are also having in your textbook on page number 44. You just open page number 44 and you can see this same diagram on that page also, right? So here we can see that this is root, this is root, this is stem, which is green in color. Sometimes it is green in color and sometimes it is little bit brown, woody. Okay, so this is green in color, that is known as stem, that is known as stem. Next comes is leaves. Okay, it's a one leaf, means one leaf, L-E-A-F, and all together plural leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. So if you are pointing out one, you cannot write leaves, you have to write leaf, L-E-A-F. Okay, understood? And all together, many leaf together, it known as leaves. Okay, now this one is fruit, this one is fruit, and here we can see flower, we can see flower. So the lower portion is root, the upper portion is shoot, and shoot is having stem, fruits, flowers, leaves. Okay, so I hope everyone understood the parts. Yes, so this is the parts of plants. Today we learnt about parts of our plants. plants. Like we learned in our body parts, the parts of our body, in the same way today we learned about the parts of the plants. So all of you, I will send one worksheet. No need to draw in your copy. I will send one worksheet for all of you. In that worksheet you will complete it, and then after you will color it and you will send it to me on ePortal. Okay, till that time I conclude my class over here. I hope everyone has enjoyed the class today. Did you enjoy the class today? Did you like it? Yes. Okay, so tomorrow we are going to discuss on, not tomorrow, I think on Monday we are going to discuss further on this topic, because even I will teach you a little bit more than it is given in your books. Okay, because in book it is a very limited knowledge which has been given to you, but we will also discuss little bit more on this one, that is about the types of, already we have discuss the types of plant according to the size. Now different types of plants, what they are called, with example I will teach you. Okay, bye bye students.